How to fix Spotify not playing music offline on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify not playing music offline on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Spotify. Click on it and then scroll down until you find permissions. Now enable storage. Here you will find it, maybe you will find it like that. Click on it and click allow, and then click force stop here and go to storage and clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.